Hello guys, Brian back with the Solana update here. I'm expecting this thing to start tearing pretty soon, and I'm going to show you why here real shortly. We're going to get back into this chart. I'm going to show you that it has broken out of resistance that it's had since last August, and we can get a look at some price areas where this thing could be going. So let's get into this stuff here. Okay, it says the best cryptos to buy right now, April 12th: Solana, Render, and Phantom. Okay, it says Solana, the high-speed layer 1 blockchain. Solana is a high-speed layer 1 blockchain designed to facilitate smart contracts and dApps. With the upcoming launch of Saga, an Android smartphone powered by the Solana blockchain, excitement around Solana is mounting. They tweeted this out. They're getting there. Watch on Twitter. Okay, so the Saga smartphone is expected to cost users $1,000. It will enable users to mint their own NFTs from anywhere, granting access to the wider Solana-based ecosystem of apps and projects. That is really cool. Will enable users to mint their own NFTs from anywhere. That is really awesome. It says here, Solana's price has been on the rise this month with a 9% gain in April so far. The recent push-up saw Sol reclaim its position above converging 20-day and 200-day moving averages. However, with an RSI of 64, the currency may need to cool off and consolidate its gains. Despite this, the MACD signals a bullish tune at 0.28, reflecting Sol's reclaimed position above the moving averages. Keep an eye on the upside target of $32, a possible 36% increase, while being mindful of the potential downside risk to $12, a 48% decrease. The current risk-reward ratio stands at 0.74, suggesting a potential need for better entry points following consolidation. Alright, let's move on here. And if you haven't, guys, please hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate that so very much. We do a giveaway at the end of every month, and we gave away 100 ADA on April 1st, and all you have to do to win is be a subscriber. And there's also a link, a Kucoin link in the description of the video for 20% off of trading fees. So if you're interested in something like that, go ahead and check it out. Otherwise, if you just go over and sign up, you don't get anything off your trading fees, but if you use the link in the video, you get 20% off. So, all right, let's go here. FTT, I just did a video on this. Boy, oh boy, they're talking about possibly reopening. Yeah, we'll see what happens here. But this is on the daily. You can see a lot of little red bubbles trying to fit in here around this big FTT in the middle. Here's for the hour. Okay, it is down 11% now for the hour. You know, I always tell people, do not buy big green candles. Just wait for the pullback. You know, they don't go straight up. The things that go straight up come straight back down. That's a saying in crypto, and it's 100% true. But for the hour, you can see a lot of stuff turning green out there. So a lot of these RSIs are getting reset, and it looks like we might be making another move here pretty soon. So let's take a look at the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. The market cap is down 0.71%. Volume is up 3.34% over 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance is flat at 45.4%. And the Crypto Fear and Greed Indicator, it's at a 65. We were at a 68 yesterday, but still in the greed. Here's your top 100 cryptos from CoinMarketCap, your gainers and losers. Gainers are on your left, and your top losers are on your right there. If we go down through here, you can see Solana right there, up 1.9%. A lot more red on the right now. I expect that's going to change as the afternoon wears on here. So let's get back to this chart, guys. I got some exciting stuff here to show you. Okay, we're going to take this and put our drawings back on here. Okay, now you can see this. From way back here, this resistance started in August of 2022. So August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April. 9 months. Okay, rejected. Came back down, rejected. Came back down, rejected. Rejected. Now we finally broke out of that. That is massive. Okay, this thing is not just going to, not financial advice at all, but trust me, I mean, it's not just going to do this little dinky poke above here. You know, I expect this thing to make a move here. Okay. Let's see here. If I was right up at that $30.45, of course, at first we need to break through $26.81. Then we would be heading up to the $30 range. Okay, let's put a Fibonacci on this thing and see where we're at here. You know, we can't even start wave counts yet, really, or anything like that. A, B, C. Yeah, I can't see much of anything as far as we put a fib on here. Yeah, this thing looks beautiful. Okay, we're breaking right up through that 786. That's what you want to see. You know, right here, if you stall out at that 702 or 618, that usually means a correction's coming. We're poking our head right above that 786 right now, which is fantastic. You know, and what's crazy with these fibs, they always seem to line up. You know, look at that, it lines right up with $30.71. We were talking about $30, and there's 27.24. We need to break that 26.80 mark. That's right about where it needs to be. So it's crazy how them things work out. But let's take a look at these relative strength indexes, and let's put the moving averages on here first. Okay, now we are above the 50 and the 200-day moving average. We still have that 200 on top of that 50 here, but them things could look like they could maybe start to cross here, which would be nice. You know, I'd love to see that golden cross. So, but right now that 200 is still above that. That's because we've had all this down pressure, but these things are tightening up, so we could get that golden cross pretty soon. But it's good to see Solana above both of them moving averages, so that's fantastic. Let's get this off here real quick. All right, now let's take a look at these RSIs. Okay, the daily. We'll pull these up here, and if you're not familiar where they're at, guys, right down here is your relative strength index. Okay, when it's at the top, that means you are overbought. Okay, it needs to cool off, and it goes down and it resets, and then when it's coming up, okay, that means you're oversold. When you get down to the bottom there, you can see you have a price movement most of the time when these things get oversold. So that's what you want to see. All right, this thing is on its way up here, but still looking good. The 1 hour is coming down. The 4 is coming down. Okay, let's look at the 8 and the 12. The 8 is at the top, and the 12 is near the top. Okay, so let's see. First off here, on this 12 hour, we had that major resistance there that we did break through. It's been a minute since I looked at Solana, but I had an alarm set for the breakout of that down sloping resistance there, and we got it. So let's put this on the hour. Okay, yeah, we got that back test. Okay, looks great. All right, so we broke through that resistance there at what was it, 23.90 roughly, and now we have back tested that as support. All right, so I'll keep an eye on these things and see how this goes. We got some buying coming in here. We got some green candles coming in. That looks super. Haven't seen that for a while. You know, as soon as we broke out of here, look how that, you know, the traders watch these support and resistance areas. You know, as soon as this thing broke out, look at all the green coming in here now, people buying. You know, they watch the same thing. You know, all them guys out there, they know what's going on. Everybody's been watching that resistance line for a long time, and it has been there for a long time. So expecting big things out of Solana soon. So thank you so much, guys. Please hit the subscribe button, and I will get back to you real soon with Solana. Thank you.